A power bank is probably one of the handiest smartphone accessories that you can carry with you. It is not an ideal solution to take charging adapters, as it gets hard to find a socket to plug in. You never know when you might need a quick top-up. So if you are looking for one, we can help you with some of the best in the business. As always, go through the description below to see all the featured products and their buy links. The ChargeStream Powerstation Wireless from Mophie is a portable solution that can recharge up to 2 mobile devices while you're on the go. The Powerstation is equipped with a 6040 mAh battery, supporting QI wireless charging technology for powering devices sans cable. It can deliver a maximum of 5 watts when charging wirelessly and 10 watts when charging via cable, so you're covered in various circumstances. This power bank features a single USB Type-C and USB Type-A port for recharging your devices simultaneously. Its exterior lines 4 LED indicator lights so that you can keep an eye on your battery level. Additionally, this power station features non-slip TPU plastic top and bottom panels, along with a soft touch housing. Besides, it includes a USB Type-C to USB Type-A cable to charge your power station and compatible devices. Next on the list, we have the RAVPower 80-watt AC outlet power bank. Its 30-watt PD port delivers sprinting power to USB-C devices, and the Quick Charge 3.0 port charges compatible USB-A devices up to 18 watts. Its dependable air vents on the bottom of the power bank ensure advanced temperature controls for long-lasting use. The AC output of this power bank reaches up to 80 watts to fully charge compatible devices: MacBook, drone, Nintendo Switch, GoPro, camera battery, etc. This space-saving powerhouse perfectly fits on your desk and easily slides into your bag. It's an excellent energy solution for your devices. Up next on the list, we have the AUKEY PB-N36 power bank. This power bank can be recharged using either lightning cable or micro USB cable. You can conveniently use the same cable to charge your phone and external battery. This power bank is portable AI power tuned to support healthier battery function and faster USB charging speeds. AI Power intelligently adjusts power output to match all your USB-powered gear's unique charging needs. With up to 2.4A of dedicated adaptive output per AI USB port, your devices will each receive the safest maximum recharge rate possible. Its advanced circuitry and built-in safeguards protect your devices against excessive current, overheating, and overcharging. The universal charging compatibility keeps your devices charged on the go with dual USB charging ports, and it is equipped with a built-in flashlight and LED battery indicator. On the other hand, it provides a 20,000 mAh capacity to charge your devices. The Mophie Powerstation Plus 6000 mAh battery pack sports one standard USB port and an integrated switch-tip charging cable to charge 2 mobile devices simultaneously. The built-in cable features a micro USB connector and includes an adapter for compatibility with Lightning-equipped gear. It offers smart adaptive charging technology that identifies the fastest charging speed for various devices and delivers up to 2.1 amps of power. For safety, digital power management circuitry is on board to provide short circuit, overcharge, and temperature protections. With a pass-through charging feature, the battery pack will charge your device first and then itself while recharging from your USB wall charger and a supplied 9-inch micro USB cable. Additionally, power indicators let you know how much power is left and when the battery is fully charged. Anker brings to you the PowerCore, a compact 20,100 mAh power bank that's designed to keep your phones and tablets juiced up on the go. The long-lasting battery of this portable charging device packs enough power to keep your smartphone going for up to 7 days. It also provides up to 7 charges to your smartphone, and its 4.8 amp output can quickly charge 2 iPads or any other power-hungry devices simultaneously. Again, this power bank offers surge protection, short-circuit protection, and more advanced safety features to keep you and your devices safe. Anker's world-renowned Power IQ and voltage boost combine to deliver a quick charge to a wide range of devices. However, it is designed for use with virtually any device that charges from a USB port. Last on the video, but at the top of the list, we have the iMuto Taurus X4. It packs a powerful punch and should be able to handle all your portable charging needs. It comes with some handy features, most notably an LED screen, which displays an exact percentage of the battery's level. Its built-in high-quality A-class lithium-ion batteries make the phone battery safe and reliable to use. It comes with 2 USB ports. Both USB ports detect your device intelligently and deliver a faster charge. Furthermore, its unique smart digital display technology shows the remaining power in digital format. You always know when the USB battery charger is fully charged and how much power is available. Another advantage is that it is smaller than iPhone 6 Plus and charges iPhone 6 almost 8 times, iPad Air approximately 1.7 times, Galaxy S6 nearly 5.7 times. Remember to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification for more exciting videos from our channel.